All right, today's Wednesday, the 29th of November. It's 27 degrees right here, about 20 minutes to 8 o'clock, 7:40. I didn't work last week. A couple things with Thanksgiving, and I needed to go see my mom. I did managed over the weekend to get me a new harness or connector on both sides, truck in and trailer in. And it took me a while to get the trailer in wired up because whoever had the trailer, the wires that I got it from years ago, the wires ain't color cut. They got colors in them, but they were ran different, and I had to take the junction box out, the cover off, and figure it out. I'm freezing to death out here, that's why I can't talk. I'm gonna go pick up 3 cars right now at Bob Mills Mitsubishi here in Myrtle Beach off 501. One goes to Columbia, and the other 2 go around Spartanburg area. Tried to deliver them today. Wasn't much anything this week, so we're going to try to take this load and try to get something started with it anyway. So we'll see you at Bob Mills. Alright, we just made it to Bob Mills. There's 501, busy as can be. We're going to go ahead and get 3 of these cars, and then we'll load them, and I'll be right back. Alright, let's see how long I've been here. It's 9:30. I've been here almost an hour. I finally got this loaded up. The Outlander on the back battery is completely dead where they left the lights on. I got it running now, and I might just let it run for a little while until I go up the interstate. Or go up, or not interstate, get out of town here in Myrtle Beach. It's got plenty of gas. Just try to charge the battery while I go. These are back lot cars. They're never the best. So we're gonna start heading toward Columbia and drop the Outlander off, and then we'll head up to Spartanburg. I'll see you in Columbia. All right, I just dropped this Mitsubishi Outlander off here at Divine Used Cars. I'm gonna park at a tire shop. Down there at the bottom of the hill where the U-Hauls are is where the car lot is. And I called and he told me to park here. Alright, now we're going to start heading to Spartanburg. I can figure out what the best way to get turned around right here is. So we'll see you at the next stop. Alright, we're here at Glory Auto Sales in Spartanburg. I done forgot the name of the road I'm on. Bowling Springs Road, I think. I'm dropping this Honda Accord off. They got plenty of room to come in and turn around. Alright, I'm going to deliver it. I'll be right back. Alright, this may be one of my shortest videos. I'm at Statesville, Manheim right now. And last night, I got quality in Gaffney. Or yesterday about 4:30, maybe about 4:50. I delivered at the one store dealership at on the roadside, so that's why I didn't record there. I was in the middle of the road. At the end of the day, I didn't know if I was going to record anything. I came here to Statesville this morning, got here about 8 o'clock, and I picked up this Acadia here. And then I left because there wasn't nothing, and I drove down to Mooresville, and my stepdad brought my mom out to a convenience store where I was parked at, where I could see her for a few minutes. And then while I was sitting there, Auto World in Conway listed this Chevrolet Silverado, so I came back and got it. And I'm going to start heading back now with these two. Here's a nice truck if you want a job. Maybe you can get that number, 704-508-1434. Just sitting here. Like I said, this will be the short one. So this truck goes to Conway, to Auto World in Conway. They're off of 90. I don't know if many of you been there or not. And then the Acadia goes to Pawleys Island. I never knew this, but these were hubcaps, just like the Dodges. So we're gonna start heading back down the road, and I'll see you when I get home. I'm going to just deliver these tomorrow. If I can find one more, I'll put it on. I don't know if I will or not, but we'll start heading down the road and see where we're going. I've been worried about too much other stuff. All right, we'll see you here in a little while. All right, I'm going to go ahead and apologize for this video for being all over the place, jumpy. I didn't even record when I got home yesterday. I was tired. I was ready to get out of this truck, and that didn't even hardly work. So it's Friday morning, right at a little bit before 8 o'clock. And I'm going to take this Silverado over here to 90 to Auto World. And then I'm going to take their Acadia to Pawleys Island. They paved the road, and then yesterday they started spraying this turf or whatever it is down. When I came in, it was laid down. All right, we'll see you over at Auto World, as long as I don't forget. Get out here and try to have a good day since I didn't work this week much at all. All right. All right. I just dropped off here at Auto World. This is Conway. It's just right off of 22, about 2.5 miles. 90. Highway 90 is what it's on. And they have a garage here. It works on a lot of people's cars too. If you buy or don't buy here, they'll still work on your car. Now we're going to get ready to head down to Pawleys Island. Probably take about an hour to drive down that way. After I load the ramps back up, I'm going to put my check. This is COD. So now I'll load these ramps and I'll hit the road. I'll see you down in Pawleys Island. Down there at the Chevrolet dealership, you have to unload off the road, off the merge lane or the turn lane in the highway. So I'll see you there. Alright, I just dropped this Acadia off down here at Coastal Chevrolet in Pawleys Island. It's right on side 17, it's right beside Nissan too. All these dealers got their big Christmas trees in there. They had one in there probably about 12 feet tall. Alright, we're going to head home and call it a week, what little week it was. See you there. Alright, I just made it back. Not too bad a weekend, no more than what I did really. Or a week, I'm sorry. It was about maybe, so the truck, or not the truck, the Acadia, it was being advertised cheap on Tuesday, kind of paying like $1 a mile for what it was, no more what it was going. I say cheap because the load price wasn't going far, but the come Wednesday they raised the price up about $85 on it, and then I just went and said I was going to just try to take a bid on it, and I raised the bid up another $150 on it, and they approved it. And I think they had a set price in on the computer, because as soon as I put it in, it was immediately approved. It wasn't like it was waiting on somebody to approve it. So this week was no more than what I did. I only was like $300 off than what I normally would average. But that Acadia that I hauled was very helpful in doing that. And then I got that truck yesterday. I was already leaving, and I went to meet my mom, and then the truck popped up. So I got very lucky on that. and I went back to get it. Got a wire that's grounding out somewhere on this right side. When I load 3 on it, it bounces back there in the back. So if you notice how far I had the truck pulled up when I came home yesterday, I had the truck pulled up pretty far, because when I noticed on when I unloaded the 3rd vehicle on Wednesday, the light started working. So I'm gonna figure out where it's at, and this even right now my old friend Travis has some wood, and he wanted me to come over and get some wood, some 2x12 by 16s, and some 2x4s and 4x4s. So I'm gonna get ready to head over there and get that wood. See if I can make me something with it. I have no use for it, but I didn't want to see him throw it away either. All right, well, I hope you liked this video. No more than what it was, and it was kind of all over the place. I had a lot more on my mind. But hopefully next week we can get it started out with a good week. All right, until next week. Well, this is the wood Travis gave me. They're 4 2x12s, 2x8s, or 2x10s, and 2x4s. See if I can figure out what I'm going to make. I would like to have some of the wood wheel stands, so I might make some of those. I didn't want him to throw them away. He was going to throw it away. Alright, see what we'll make.